In this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 top tips on how to get rid of a headache and to get some headache relief. And by the way, make sure to watch the very end because the last few tips you're never told about. So let's dive straight into tip number 1, temperature therapy, okay? You can either do an ice pack or a hot towel, or you can alternate between the two, okay? So take your pick. All you're going to do, let's say this is a hot towel, you're going to place it on your head, you're going to place it around your neck, move it about a little bit. You can do the same with the ice pack, by the way. And this is going to provide relief. It's going to help with those headache symptoms. It's going to help with blood flow and relaxation. And best of all, everyone can do it at home, so give it a go. So by doing this, the cold therapy reduces the blood flow, it reduces inflammation, it helps numb the area and the pain. The warm therapy does the opposite effect. It increases the blood flow and it promotes relaxation. Next tip for headache relief, the foot soaking hack, okay? This one is anecdotal, however, a lot of my patients swear by it, and to be honest, the theory makes a lot of sense, and it's really gonna help you get rid of that headache. Here's what you need to do. First of all, get yourself a bucket, pour some hot water in it, not too hot that you're gonna burn yourself, just warm enough that you can handle. Next, take your socks off and stand in the bucket with the water. Stand in there for about 10-20 minutes, and what this is gonna do, it's gonna help dilate your blood vessels and draw blood away from your brain and hopefully reduce the pressure. Like I said, the theory makes sense. A lot of people find it helpful. So what I want you to do is leave a comment below, let us know how you get on and if it works. Moving straight on to tip number 3, let's talk about tennis balls. This can be super effective at reducing the tension, and sometimes getting the right spot can really help get rid of that headache pain. So it's very simple to do. Just get yourself a clean sock, place 2 tennis balls in the sock, lie on the floor, and basically place the tennis balls in the sock behind the base of your skull. So right behind there, and just rest on it. Feel free to move around and massage it a bit on the area. This is going to give that tension relief, okay? And also, it's going to help release endorphins, which are natural painkillers as well. So next up, let me tell you about HeadaTerm, their FDA-approved, easy-to-use wearable neuromodulation device for the prophylactic treatment of migraine. This drug-free, easy-to-use device is controlled by this one single button, and it works by sending targeted electrical pulses to desensitize the trigeminal nerve from migraine attacks. Now, the HeadaTerm team are very good friends of the channel, and to learn more about them, I'm going to leave a link to their Amazon page in the description below. Definitely do check them out and their impressive reviews. HeadaTerm, thank you for being our trusted sponsor. Moving straight on to tip number 4, stress reduction. This is essential to get rid of those headache symptoms and for headache relief. Go into a room, dim down the lights, rest, close your eyes, maybe do some breathing techniques. All this is going to help reduce the stress and the tension. Definitely, you need to get off your phone, get off your laptop, stop doing your work, all right? It's not going to help with that stress reduction. Because you see, stress can release certain chemicals in the brain which increase our muscle tension and also constrict our blood vessels, which basically make headaches much worse. Straight on to tip number 5, when all else fails, over-the-counter medication can be very helpful, like paracetamol and ibuprofen. Speak to your medical provider about taking these. They can be very helpful at getting rid of those headache symptoms. Oh, and by the way, another pro tip, try and consider these medications, try and get them as liquid or dissolvable tablets so they get in your system earlier so that they can work. Also, another thing that I haven't mentioned as well is getting rest, okay? You need to be sleeping for 8 hours. This is where the body recovers and heals and regenerates itself, okay? So 8 hours of sleep is also critical for headache relief. Now, with headaches, you should always speak to your medical provider, and there are times that you should seek urgent medical attention as well. I'm gonna leave loads more information in the description below. Definitely give it a read. I really hope my tips help you in this week's video. As always, sending awesome vibes.